The Cadillac CT5 V Blackwing is not just another luxury sedan, it's the pinnacle of what Cadillac's V series has been building toward for decades. A car that doesn't just aim to compete with European powerhouses like the BMW M5 or Mercedes-AMG E63, but to challenge them head-on with raw American power, engineering precision, and a distinct personality that's impossible to ignore. From the moment the CT5 V Blackwing comes into view, it makes a lasting impression. The front fascia is aggressive, featuring a wide mesh grille for enhanced airflow and cooling, flanked by Cadillac's signature vertical LED headlamps. The sculpted hood includes functional heat extractors, reducing engine temperatures during high-performance runs. The lower bumper and splitter are designed not just for show but to manage airflow and reduce lift at high speeds. Everything on this car has a purpose, and nothing is just for aesthetics. Move along the side and the athletic profile continues. Sharp character lines give the body a muscular look, while subtle carbon fiber components, including the side skirts, mirror caps, and optional carbon aero package, hint at its track-focused intentions. The stance is low and wide, sitting on 19-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires that were developed in collaboration with Cadillac specifically for the Blackwing. Behind those wheels are high-performance Brembo brakes with 6-piston calipers up front, ensuring that this powerful machine can stop as confidently as it accelerates. Pop the hood, and you're greeted with a hand-built, supercharged 6.2-liter LT4 V8 engine, putting out a jaw-dropping 668 horsepower and 659 pound-feet of torque. This makes it the most powerful Cadillac ever put into production. What makes it even more exciting is that Cadillac offers it with a 6-speed manual transmission, a rare and bold move in today's market. The transmission features rev matching and no-lift shift functionality, giving drivers a race-ready experience every time they shift gears. For those who prefer a more refined experience, a 10-speed automatic is available, offering lightning-fast gear changes and intelligent shift logic that adapts to driving styles. The performance isn't just on paper. The CT5 V Blackwing can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.4 seconds with the automatic, and can exceed 200 miles per hour. Yet it's not a brute, it's balanced, thanks to Magnetic Ride Control 4.0, which reads the road up to 1000 times per second and adjusts damping in real time. Combined with a limited slip rear differential, high-performance suspension, and performance traction management system, the Blackwing offers agility and control on par with dedicated sports cars. Inside, the experience is just as elevated. The interior blends high-end materials with motorsport-inspired elements. The seats, available in leather or leather with microfiber, are performance-bolstered and can be equipped with heating, ventilation, and even massage functionality. The center console, dashboard, and door panels are adorned with carbon fiber and aluminum trim, and every button and switch has a tactile, purposeful feel. The driver's cockpit is focused and immersive. A 12-inch reconfigurable digital cluster provides key performance data in real time, while a head-up display keeps your eyes on the road. The 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the AKG Studio reference sound system delivers studio-quality audio through 15 strategically placed speakers. There's also an integrated performance data recorder that allows drivers to record lap times, video, and telemetry, perfect for the track enthusiast. Cadillac has also paid attention to safety and convenience. The CT5 V Blackwing comes equipped with a host of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. Even with all this performance, it remains practical enough for daily use, offering comfortable rear seating and a spacious trunk. What truly makes the Cadillac CT5 V Blackwing stand out is its dual character. It's an incredibly capable track machine that can carve corners with precision, but also a luxurious cruiser that offers comfort, technology, and style. It respects tradition with its manual transmission and V8 roar, yet embraces the future with cutting-edge tech and refinement. It is the final chapter of Cadillac's gas-powered performance legacy before the brand transitions toward electrification, and it's going out with a thunderous roar. The CT5 V Blackwing isn't just a car. It's a bold expression of passion, engineering, and legacy. It speaks to those who still believe driving is an experience, something to be felt, heard, and remembered. With limited production and unmatched performance in its class, the Cadillac CT5 V Blackwing isn't just one of the last great V8 sedans, it may very well be the greatest.